This video I will show you how to cancel your current reservation on Airbnb. So the first thing that you need to do is go over to the Airbnb.com website or access Airbnb on your mobile through the app or also on the browser. After that, make sure you're logged in with the right account, and if you have that done, let's dive into the video right now. So in order to cancel your current reservation, you need to click on your profile section and here click on trips. And in this section, you will see the trip that you have booked. And what you need to do now is you need to go ahead and click on that trip. And when you click on that trip, you need to scroll all the way down and there you will see something that is similar to this. You will see your home reservation and you can see a couple of options. And this includes also cancel reservation or change the reservation. And the ability to cancel the reservation is only possible if your host and Airbnb allowed this at the time you were booking your stay. So some accommodations do not allow you to cancel your reservation or within a certain amount of days. So this will mean that in some cases it might not be possible. In some cases it is possible, but it is non-refundable. So before you book, always make sure that you read through this information very carefully so you know exactly what to do when you need to cancel your reservation due to certain circumstances. So if you want to cancel your reservation anyway, go ahead and click on cancel reservation in here, and then you will be asked to confirm this action. And after you have confirmed this, you will have your Airbnb reservation canceled. So that is how you do it. I hope this video was useful. Thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel.